Imagine a wonder material so unique it will inspire the next industrial revolution, capable of changing the world around us as we know it. Graphene is going to change the way we live, work, and play.
Can you imagine the first two-dimensional material known to humanity and what that material can actually do? With the thermal capabilities of graphene, the electrical capabilities of graphene, and the material strengths, lighter and stronger. Grafoid is leading the charge with this new material, trademarked as mesograph, and has the direct derivation from raw graphite ore into few layer graphene. You're changing the entire methodology and implementation of graphene in various kinds of materials, disciplines, industries. And this is why it is such an exciting time.
The approach that we use for this mesograph material is so simple, so clean, so low cost, that it enables so many products to be produced without any negative environmental impact. Grafoid's business model is to generate revenue from the applications. We don't just want to sell mesograph. It's about utilizing technology and utilizing our know-how in functionalizing materials to create real-life solutions that solve real-life problems today.
You look at Singapore, which is a very unique country where they have all these variations of novel, exotic buildings. With graphene, you'd be able to really impact the infrastructure. The buildings would be taller. You could triple the size.
2% concentration of our graphene mixed with recycled plastics will create a super strong plastic material that we can extrude, and then once braided like so, will create a very, very strong rebar material used in the construction industry. It will be lighter, it will be much, much stronger than steel, and it will never corrode.
Grafoid has an incredible partnership with Hydro-Quebec. Lithium iron phosphate is a safe and effective energy storage system, typically used with graphite, and now with graphene it allows Hydro-Quebec to extend their patent profile for an additional 17 years.
This is a lithium battery that will be used in communication devices, as well as enabling the automotive industry to switch to an electric vehicle, to an all-electric vehicle.
Corporations that have leverage in graphite are coming over to replace that with graphene mesograph.
With this material, we'll be able to create protective clothing that will be able to replace 6 inches of armoring. We'll be able to have equivalent of an armored vehicle on our bodies. In the medical field, a project that we're working with is a company that manufactures an antibody for the prostate.
We can actually use an antibody and connect it to the mesograph and be able to send that into the human body and target cancer. Mesograph has the ability to respond to heat. And so basically you're sending it to that location and cooking the location of the cancer. You now have a new vehicle for therapy in medicine and treatment for extension of human health.
This is not science fiction. This is real. And Grafoid, with the mesograph material, is leading the charge. Mesograph is a game changer because it allows every company to economically use graphene in all of their products.
To take it from the milligram level in the laboratory into gram level into kilogram level is absolutely crucial.
We have a unique business advantage in the endless supply of our raw material to produce mesograph, in our ability to attract incredible talent that can functionalize this material into real live applications, and to launch these applications with very strong industry partners around the globe.
Grafoid sits at the interface between the university, government, and corporate partnerships that laid the groundwork, making this opportunity high reward, extremely low risk.
We believe that this mine-to-market model gives us a very unique advantage. When you invest in Grafoid, you're not just investing in graphene, you're investing in all these applications. And that's the future for graphene.